Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Budget Play, where I make doll houses and play sets out of cardboard. Today I'm going to be making a relaxing oasis for Barbie in the form of a deck and pool with real water. Though if you use real water, just remember that everything else is still made out of paper. Let's get started. Just a reminder that at the beginning of the video I said you didn't have to use real water. You can certainly make it work just like this. But for the sake of the video, of course I'm going to go for it.
unforgettable. Cause I'm original, not typical. I keep it moving, but moving, I'm not visible. So what you waiting for? So come on, get it on. We keep it positive, all of it, wonderful. So come on, get happy. Come on and get free. So come on, get happy. Come on and get free. So come on, get happy. So come on, get happy.
it's time for Barbie to relax. I also want to take this time to thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe.